Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Shah Commission postponed submission of final report on Goa's mining to submit report by end of January 2012. All India Traders Association calls for Bharat Bandh on Thursday. Call to oppose FDI in retail. State BJP supports Bandh. 29 schools from only 3 talukas respond to Education Department's memorandum about illegal switching over of schools to English medium. No response from Salsate. Government's affidavit before the High Court reveals shocking fact. Embarrassed by 5-0 defeat, India coach Savio Madeira searching for answers. Our boys are lacking in every department, says Savio. And Avdumbar Hedes Polo Cup Championship winning hopes dashed in dramatic final round. Finishes third overall. Vishnu Prasad wins championship and Sri Roko Cup berth. Now the news in detail. Shah Commission has postponed submission of its final report on Goa's mining activity by couple of months. Justice M.B. Shah may submit final report on Goa's mining by the end of January 2012. Commission will submit report on Orissa and Goa together. Sources say it is still not clear whether the report would be submitted before Goa Assembly election, as its submission is getting postponed for quite some time.
Justice M.B. Shah and his team has investigated and compiled report on Goa's mining activity for over 3 months. On 17 September, Justice M.B. Shah held public hearing in Porvorim and announced that report of Goa's mining activity would be submitted within 45 days. The final report of the commission was expected by 1st of December, but now submission of the report has been postponed by almost 2 months. Justice M.B. Shah, in an exclusive telephonic conversation with Prudent Media, told that commission would submit Goa and Orissa report together by January end.
Orissa also something is prepared, we have collected data also.
Oh. But sir, Goa mining report, when exactly likely?
So it would be both simultaneously submitted, both jointly.
Means
something is similar, so it is not required to be repeated.
Okay, so after maybe January or February, report likely to be submitted?
Probably January, end of January.
End of January, report of Goa mining.
Goa and Orissa both jointly.
Many in Goa are curious and waiting for Shah Commission's report. State Assembly election is expected between February and May, but sources say it is still not clear whether the report would be submitted before Goa Assembly election, as it is getting postponed. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Bharat Bandh has been called on Thursday, opposing Union government's decision of FDI in retail. State BJP unit has supported the call given by the All India Traders Association. Manohar Parrikar has made a mass appeal to suspend trading business on Thursday. Around 10,000 traders association across the country will participate in this bandh. Union government is hell-bent to push forward its decision to allow FDI in retail. But Indian trader community, along with political parties from NDA and some allies from UPA, are up in arms against the government. Bharatiya Janata Party feels that multinational giant malls such as Walmart will enter the Indian market. It will ruin the farmers, small retailers and small producers in India. BJP has supported the Bharat Bandh against government's decision.
This is a short-term gain. $5 billion investment. 5 billion is nothing. Why should we sell ourselves and destroy our traditional business? we support this move by the traders. Well, Bharatiya Janata Party, because of logical aim, we support it. It is dangerous to the country.
Meanwhile, BJP has also demanded to stay the acquisition of land for Mopa Airport. They also said that government needs to formulate the policy on land acquisition. Parikar said, as per current rate, affected farmers at Mopa will get a meager compensation of 4 rupees per square meter.
म्हणजे सरकार येतो गो तांची रास्त मागणी आम्ही मान्य करतो. जर लोकांना आमकां संधी दिली जाल्यार we will accept this demand because I feel that by giving right rate, government will not indulge into unnecessary acquisition.
Our senior reporter in Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar. 29 schools from only 3 talukas have responded to Education Department's memorandum asking details about illegal switching over to English medium despite status quo from High Court. From Salsett, none of the schools have responded. Government's affidavit before the High Court has revealed this shocking fact. The memorandum was sent in September.
In the ongoing PIL writ petition filed against the MOI decision, the government has filed a reply affidavit. This is in reply to the civil application and affidavit filed by Counsel Nadkarni alleging criminal contempt by the government. Petitioner has contended that government has illegally distributed grants to the schools which have illegally shifted to English medium despite High Court status quo order. Directorate of Education issued memorandum on 21/09/2011 to ADEIs of all talukas to collect information of primary schools with Konkani Marathi medium who have switched over to English, but only 29 schools have responded. The respondent government in reply says, petitioners' delayed tactic to prolong final disposal of petition. No disobedience or non-compliance by government allegations are unfounded. Directorate of Education issued memorandum on 21st September 2011 to ADEIs to collect info about switching over of schools. Instructed ADEIs to submit report within 5 working days to initiate necessary action. Department received information only from Bicholi, Mapsa and Ponda ADEIs. Information from other ADEIs is awaited and is being pursued. Response from 3 schools from Bicholi, 14 from Mapsa and 12 from Ponda. 4 schools from Ponda not disclosed any information. Bills of salary grants will be kept pending of the above schools. In a rejoinder filed by the counsel for the petitioner, Atmaram Nadkarni states that statements made by petitioner not denied by respondents. Deputy Director Anil Pawar deliberately filed affidavit suppressing info. The entire note was moved on the dictate of the Chief Minister by Deputy Director. Deputy Director made completely false statements, withheld important documents and info, deliberately furnished information from Bicholi, Mapsa and Ponda Konkani Marathi medium schools without including other talukas like Salsett, Tiswadi, Bardes, Sange, Kankon, etc. The hearing on the petitions will continue in the High Court on Thursday. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez.
Finally, International Film Festival of India paid tribute to M.F. Hussein by screening a 18 minutes documentary directed by him in 1967. Screening was held peacefully at the Kala Academy amidst pressure from Hindu Janajagrati Samiti. Artist M.F. Hussein's documentary, Through the Eyes of the Painter, a film of his own journey through Rajasthan, was finally screened at the 42nd International Film Festival of India in Kala Academy on Wednesday. The screening was scheduled as a tribute to the painter who died recently. It was postponed by the organizers following opposition by the Hindu Janajagrati Samiti. Huge police force was deployed at Kala Academy as Hindu Janajagrati Samiti activists had threatened to protest against the decision of IFFI organizers to screen the documentary. But not a single member of Samiti was seen around. SP of Special Branch of Goa Police said that the screening was held peacefully.
त्यांची जी राजस्थानमध्ये जे त्यांनी ट्रॅव्हल केलं किंवा राजस्थानमध्ये त्यांच्या ज्या आयडिया होत्या त्याच्याबद्दलची ही एक डॉक्युड्रामा होता ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईटमध्ये आणि त्याच्यात असं काहीच मटेरियल नव्हतं की कुणी त्याच्याबद्दल आक्षेप घ्यावा.
Screening was houseful. Most of the delegates attended the screening. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Omkar Falari and Sunny Narvekar. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.